Alright, what's up YouTube? We're out at a new spot here. It's just out in the woods, but it's like a little opening. We call it the moon. We play with our RC cars here. We jump this little mound I'm standing on. Pretty decent little spot, so we're gonna do some flying. Right? Screw it. So let's rip one. Ready, set, let's go.
When I entered the world and took my first breath of air, the doctor gave me a blunt and a 40 ounce of beer, sat me in the chair, told me to prepare for the worst. He said life can be good and life can stink like a burst. Gonna be a lot of backstabbing and betrayal. So always pack a hammer and some nails. As I got older, I hung around older folk. That's why I'm so dope to spit the game I poke. I used to practice looking hard, but now I practice being solid. I keep Usalam, can't let them catch me out of pocket. Haters will love to sneak and try to remove me from earth, but if I find out who's scheming, they gon' get hauled off in a hearse. I'd rather be judged by 12 than to be carried by 6. What you say? I said it before, and I meant it. This thing wangin', it's riding, it's beating their ass like a belt. If you ain't slapping any 40, you need to slap yourself.
I'm the BB, my nigga from the town. Roll that shit up, nigga, pass it around. All in the game like we pitching off the mound. 4 in the box and you know that shit pound. My partner from the V, my nigga from the town. Roll that shit up, nigga, pass it around. All in the game like we pitching off the mound. 4 in the box and you know that shit pound. That shit pound.
If you don't like it, you a sucker. You don't bump this, you a stupid motherfucker. All these years making all these songs, you never heard them? What planet you been on? The old ladies and the little kids love 40 and show, we so real with this. You think about the game and what we saying. Since elementary school, what the fuck they playing? Born to Mac in a major way. 75 girls, the Hall of Game. Life is federal, game related, turn it up, there they go. Our shit been pounding all your life. Most of y'all niggas, we raised y'all right. Gamed up hustlers, you ain't no chump, we some real OGs. Tell them where we
from. My
from
the V, my nigga from the town. Rollin' shit up, nigga, pass it around. All in the game like we pitching off the mound. 4 in the box and you know that shit pound. My partner from the V, my nigga from the town. Roll that shit up, nigga, pass it around. All in the game like we pitching off the mound. 4 in the box and you know that shit pound. That shit pound.
We some bad motherfuckers. E40 and short, 2 brothers from another mother. We just laugh at the suckers that hate on real niggas cause they some couch potato hustlers. How you treat it? I treat the rap game like the dope game. The rap game like the dope Substitute game. Verse licks for the cocaine. Some of you niggas need to be potty trained. I beat you with my belt like Pootie Tang.
It's just another sunny day in the Golden State. My other money's made when the hoes get paid. I keep it in my sock, spin it when I shop. Everything you want is everything I got. Why she smiling when she give me the scratch? Never ask how a real pimp gets sacked. When you get it from the bay, you just got it like that. If you grew up on E40 and them short dog raps, you a Mac. You remember when you was a little ass kid in the car seat listening to some E40, mama and daddy bumping Too Short in the old school. I know you remember. You grew up on that shit.
My partner from the V, my nigga from the town. Roll that shit up, nigga, pass it around. All in the game like we pitching off the mound. 4 in the box and you know that shit pound. My partner from the V, my nigga from the town. Roll that shit up, nigga, pass it around. All in the game like we pitching off the mound. 4 in the box and you know that shit pound. That shit pound.
I kind of drained that battery. It went quick. Stop the recording there. All right, I'm gonna call it. It's a little windy. I'm a little chilly. It's not quite as warm as it was yesterday. So peace out.